Why hiking?
Um, well, I live in Hull now, and like Hull is like it's just flat. There's no hills or anything here, and like to get around anywhere, like anywhere of interest, you've got to like get in a car and go somewhere. But like I'm from Scarborough, and like when I lived there up to like probably 14 years ago when I left there, like I'd walk everywhere, and like you could get like somewhere really fast, and like be on a trail or on some cinder tracks, or you'd be like down the beach and stuff, and
I was
like
going to say, Scarborough must be near the beach, really.
yeah,
You
yeah.
get down there
And
for a
like
hike.
I loved like walking and that, like when I was younger, and like moving here and stuff. All that just went away, and I'd be sat on my ass playing computer games and stuff when I
Right.
finished work. Yeah, over a year ago. So like just out of nowhere, I like decided to like invite these mates from work like back to like a place just outside of Scarborough called Caton Bay.
Right.
And it's a really nice secluded bay, and I used to go there a lot when I was younger. And I think how I got back into all this filming and like wanting to do the hiking and stuff is we like walked down this cliff to this bay, and we like spent like all day there, like right into like 3 o'clock in the morning. We were down there,
Yeah.
and I'd like film some little bits just on my phone, and like when I come back, I made a video of them, and it got me thinking about how much I like doing it, and like I'd done stuff like that in the past, but walking back up that cliff, I was in such a bad state. I couldn't breathe. I was just feeling rubbish, and I was working a night shift at that point, and like I'd been doing it for like a year, and I was just feeling super drained. My diet was crap. I wasn't eating. Like in the summer, I was getting no sleep because it was obviously like so bright outside and kids playing. And, like I try and sleep in the day and then work all night, but I ended up just like feeling so rubbish. I took some time off work, and I was gonna go back, and I actually went in, and like before I started any work, I went and saw the manager and said, I'm feeling no better than I did when I went off a week ago.
Right.
And I said I'm gonna get myself into the doctors, so I did like, and they checked my blood pressure and stuff, and it was through the roof, and they said that I was like at risk of having a stroke.
And what was the reasons behind that?
I still don't know. I got sent to hospital, and they checked me out, and they checked all my blood and stuff, and my blood pressure came down, but I got sent to like a specialist, and they did all these tests on me, like, and they said like I'm not like diabetic or like at risk of anything, and like they just I've never been told like why it's high, but
Yeah.
I'm on like medication for it for life now to keep it down.
Right.
But that like kind of scared me, and like that's like wanting me to like push with this hiking, because like really like to get fit, the only thing that I like is walking, and I got obsessed with it.